YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Alright, you guys, so if you're not already subscribed to my second channel, you already know what to do, man. Click that link in the description below. It's gonna take you over to my second channel. I want you to smash that subscribe button for your boy. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. And also, guys, if you want to copy 26 King Wavy merch, that is gonna be down in the description. Also, click that. It's gonna take you over to the website. Use my discount code 360Juice26 for 26% off anything that you purchase off that website. And guys, after you purchase anything, don't forget to leave a review. In today's video, I'm gonna be reacting to my old, YouTube videos from then to now. So my old YouTube videos, and I'm gonna react to, just to see the difference. And I think that would be very, that would be a very good video for y'all. So, and I wanted to do this anyway. I want to see the glow up, you feel me? So if you guys are excited for this video, I know I'm excited. Without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my hand and just be right back. All right.
What happened? They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, you guys. So I'm on my my page right now. Let me go over so I can just put this right here. So yeah, on my page, we're gonna go to videos. If you're not subscribed already, do that right now. Okay, so let's go to the oldest videos. Oh, don't mind the first one. I used to dance a little bit. That was like 6 years ago, man. Alright, so my first video was how to tie your do-rag, but we're gonna go with the brush angles. Should we go with the brush angles? Yeah, brush angles. That's my first video. Alright, so let's start from the beginning.
My head might look a little crazy.
Hey man, YouTube, when I first started YouTube, I sucked, man. Like, I was so chill. I had no energy. My editing skills sucked. Like, yo, come on, dude.
I had no shape up, man.
Came a long way though, guys. Oh no.
Yeah, I know.
My waves look crazy back then, man. But hey man, look at me now.
My hairline receding, bro.
Yeah. I really said that dumb stuff, man. My hairline receding, bro. Mad chill too.
My hairline receding. I don't know, you ain't gotta tell me, but let's jump into the video, man. Alright, for this, you're going to need a brush. I don't know if you can see, but there's another man. And this y'all right here. This y'all. Alright, let's get it. So,
Brush
first,
angles to
I'm
360
angles
waves.
you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8 angles. That's how I brush this side. That's side number 1.
Yo, do y'all see this, man? I came a long way, man. If I can do it, you can definitely do it. Alright, so keep grinding.
And
this was in February. This was almost a year ago, man.
the other way you can brush this is you go with a brush like this, but your waves might go low.
Look how, yo, I barely had any waves on the side. Everything just looked crazy, man.
Further down. Now it's not gonna go straight up, it's gonna go down, a little down. So that's the different waves.
And guys, also, it's not about the waves, man. It's not about the waves. It's all about the experience. Like, I've learned so much this past year, man. It's just like, it's been crazy. Like, with you guys, YouTube honestly been like, it taught me a lot about waves. Like, making videos every day, I've learned a lot. So when you do something like consistently, you learn a lot from it. So, I learned a lot these last couple of months.
That's angle number 1.
Alright, y'all, so that's a video that, that was a while ago. So now let's look at it. I'm gonna look at the newest video. Let's look at the newest video, guys.
It's
like,
over.
Finally!
You guys are gonna see.
Get alerts for the ticket price you want. Zillow has the most rental properties. And it's awesome. So you'll never miss out on the home you love.
You guys are gonna see like the jump and like the experience, like my editing skills, my energy, and everything. And look at that. I'm an ambassador now. Came a long way, man. Just click that link down in the description. Got another channel now. A better camera, better quality. Like, y'all remember when I was asking for this camera? I'm like, yo, donate for the camera, better quality, better content. Look at that, man. Come on, son.
Wait till 1,000 subscribers.
If I would have gave up, I would not be here right now, you know, because I got a lot of hate comments, you know, calling myself, I'm desperate, blah, blah, this and that. Haters, you know.
Once that 600, so please help us get to 600 subscribers by the end of the day. And also, guys, as you already read in the title, I'm gonna show.
Can y'all see the difference from then till now? Like, y'all see the difference, right? This is amazing, man.
Show you guys the best way to tie your do-rag.
Better intro. Let me just skip the intro because y'all already seen this already. Look at that, man. Came a long way, man. I got music in the background now. No copyright, guys. No copyright. And guys, if you want to get your 2-6 King Wavy merch, it's right here, man. See that link? It's the first link down there. And then the second link is my second channel. And then the third link is the introduction song. You know, my song in the intro. So guys, all the links are in my description. Like, if y'all got any questions, just check the link. My hair got silkier.
Alright, now you want to wash your hands? Just a little bit. Like this.
Alright, y'all, so that's that's basically it for this video, y'all. You know, just a little short video. You know, I wanted to do this video for a while. You know, it was pretty cool seeing, you know, when I first started YouTube, I was like shy and booty. Like, my video editing skills was booty, my waves was booty. Now, you know, 10, 11, 12 months later, I'm a lot better, man. You know, just to show you guys that consistency and hard work really pays off. Like, keep doing what you're doing, and you know, I got a long way to go. You know, summer I'm trying to hit 50K. Next year I'm trying to hit 100K. You know, just keep grinding. Grind don't never stop, man. I'm a workaholic. But y'all, appreciate y'all for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me. And I'm out of here. Peace.